Hello and welcome to this presentation on Cognos Analytics Cloud Migrations. My name is Zach. I'm a data and AI technical specialist from IBM, working specifically with Cognos Analytics, but hopefully you already know that from watching the video above this one in my blog post about the latest and greatest features of Cognos Analytics version 12. And if you haven't, then I highly recommend you do watch it. But with version 11.1.7 now out of support and version 11.2 going out of support in April 2026, many of our customers on legacy versions of Cognos are looking at how to upgrade and what this may look like. But they're also taking time to consider moving to the cloud and reducing some of their maintenance and support costs of an on-premise deployment. Moving to IBM Cloud, we have two main offerings. Cognos Analytics Cloud Hosted, which is a single tenant environment, or Cognos Analytics On Cloud On Demand, which is our multi-tenant environment. You can see all of the options available at the ibm.biz link at the bottom of the screen. The key considerations for moving to cloud are time to value, with less time spent managing deployments, and access to the latest versions with IBM managed updates, reducing IT overhead, and all of this with no loss to capabilities, having the exact same features available on cloud as on-premise. IBM will host and manage your cloud environments with dedicated support teams available. When on the cloud, you'll be able to connect to your cloud-based or on-premise data sources, including direct connection to planning analytics and the ability to report directly over planning analytics cubes. The base configuration of a cloud-hosted environment comes with one production and one non-production environment, with the option of adding additional environments or storage as you need. You'll still have access and full compatibility with Framework Manager, which is a big consideration for a lot of our customers. You're also able to adjust your user licensing, adding new users whenever you have to suit your needs. When you deploy Cognos Analytics on cloud hosted, IBM will take care of the system administration, but you'll be informed of all the changes and updates that are happening in the back end, as you can see from our responsible and informed table up here. You'll also have full control over your content administration, user management, and data source connections, whereas on-prem, all of this is managed on your end. If you choose to deploy on cloud on demand, there is a simplified licensing structure, and there are some differences between the capabilities of standard and premium users. We can see those in the table here, and the main difference is that standard users are not able to create, edit, run, or schedule reports. Premium users are able to do this, but one key consideration of the on-demand deployment compared to the cloud-hosted deployment is that on-demand you are not able to burst your reports. This is a major consideration for when choosing how to deploy your Cognos Analytics on the cloud. So, key considerations of why move to the cloud. First of all, you get IBM provisioned hardware, software, and support package. You have ensured uptime with automated backup services. There's a streamlined support process and cost saving while eliminating infrastructure concerns. Robust continuous availability on cloud Kubernetes infrastructure. Seamless automatic upgrades with immediate access to new innovations. You're always kept on the latest version of Cognos Analytics on the cloud. And of course, we provide emphasis on security and adherence to compliance standards. A high-level Cognos Analytics migration path would look something like this. As you can see, we begin with two tracks running at the same time. We start the provisioning of the cloud instance, and at the same time, we install and upgrade your content in these sandbox environments, and then upgrade this to the same release as the cloud instance. Then, while configuring your cloud instance with your content store, security preference, other features, we prepare the on-prem content per the SaaS terms. For example, the migration from CQM to DQM, which is essential if you're still running on CQM from older versions from before. I believe it's version 10.2. Then, for the migration, we simply upload the content from the sandbox to the SaaS instance, and finally go live, switch one on and switch the other off. We also have Cognos Analytics certified containers available. This is from Cognos Analytics version 12.1. we have the ability to run Cognos Analytics on Kubernetes centers, enabling enhanced agility, scalability, efficiency, and resilience for your business intelligence environment. This will allow Cognos to be deployed on your preferred cloud next to your data and in our new architecture, allowing Cognos to take advantage of all the benefits that Kubernetes service offers an application, like the scalability, flexibility, and resilience. This will significantly reduce infrastructure costs by allowing Cognos to scale individual services when there is a requirement and scale them back down again when the load has gone. This is Cognos Analytics as you know it. No need for any end user training at all. The move from Cognos Analytics to the new container architecture is as simple as shutting down your traditional Cognos and configuring Cognos Analytics certified containers to use your content and audit stores, and then the same security provider, and then you can deploy Cognos Analytics. It's simple. That was a very brief rundown of cloud migrations. If there are any further questions on cloud migrations or deployments, my details will be in the blog post below. Thank you very much.